Online business is a very competitive playground that challenges even the savviest entrepreneurs. For starters, they might find it really hard to stand out or even just to survive. However, it is a consensus among online business owners that setting up an online store is worth any hassle. So, in this video, you will learn the secrets to selling products online. But before getting into it, please subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon for regular updates. Number 1. Choose the right niche. When you are starting an online business, the first thing you should do or consider is the niche market that you want to target. Now, this is vital to success of your business because it allows you to compute your chance in the competition. For instance, smaller niches have less competition, giving you a better chance of connecting with potential buyers. However, it also comes with a smaller pool of customers. So, you should spend time researching about your niche. In this way, not only will you be able to balance the level of competition with the size of the market, but you also will be able to forecast the cost structure of your products. Number 2, make it easy for the buyer to purchase. There are 3 golden rules that you should remember in designing the purchase process of your online store. First, never force the visitor of your website to register during their first visit. Second, make the navigation on your website or blog very simple. Always put the navigation bar at the top of the page and keep it consistent. Lastly, do not collect a lot of unnecessary information from buyers because it will only prolong the buying process and increase the tendencies of the buyers to abandon their purchase, thereby losing potential sales. You can test your purchase process by buying your product as a prospective buyer would. So make sure that your buyers purchase in your online store quickly and easily. Number 3, offer great customer service. Now, this is very important because customers are always looking for reassurance before buying any product online. So, as an entrepreneur, you should offer great customer service by helping them to shop with confidence. One technique for selling that you should know is to offer a guarantee. If your customer is not satisfied, you will refund them with no questions. This ensures them that you are committed to making them happy with the value that you give. Number 4, promote your store. Don't worry. You don't need much money to promote your store. You just have to be willing to invest a considerable amount of time and energy to attract people and take the step of making a purchase. A great website with relevant articles or blog posts is a good start. However, you should take note that the buyers usually consult for advice or recommendations from other people on social networks, such as Twitter, Facebook, or YouTube before buying a product. So take advantage of this by getting other people to review your products in their website and finding guest posting opportunities. Lastly, learning SEO, otherwise known as search engine optimization tools, and social media and email marketing to drive traffic to your store, thereby increasing customers and ultimately your sales. So this is all for today. Feel free to share with us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.